I'm a sweet tooth, you guys. 50 bar. 10 on 10, you guys.
Looks so cute. Can you just see how tiny this is?
Oh, the smell. Oh my god, it was a disappointing flavor.
Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. I am Mridula and I make food related content. If you guys enjoy watching such videos, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. As you guys can tell from my outfit, I've just got back from the gym, and as you've read by the title that I am going to try several Super You products because I am in love with Super You products. And recently I've been eating a lot of them. They're wafers, actually, not a lot, yeah, a lot of them, but this one flavor called peanut butter chocolate flavored wafers, and I'm obsessed. This week I've had their protein wafer as my pre-workout, and because of that I thought that I should make this video where I just try one of their products, the product, of course the products that I haven't tried, and let you guys know how it tastes. I've just got back from my workout, and before that I ordered this one protein bar. Let me show you. And this is the protein bar, but this is the protein bar that I haven't tried it. This is not a protein bar, this is a protein wafer. The one that I've tried before is the wafer itself, but it was the flavor, as I mentioned, peanut chocolate flavored. And apart from peanut chocolate, I haven't tried any of their wafers, but I'm obsessed with the texture of this protein wafer. So this is the first snack that we're trying, the snack trial thing. And oh you guys, it's white. I love it. I'm excited actually. I don't think Super You is doing, going wrong with any of their products. This is killer, man. I have tried the protein wafers from a lot of brands apart from Super You as well. I've tried from this one brand called GNC, Fab, and Max Protein as well, but I don't love any of the wafers as much as I love this one. I have some special love for this one because it's crunchy, but it's light, but it's heavy. That's the best way I can explain it to you guys. I hope you guys get it. I just love it. The outer coating is like dipped entirely in white chocolate, and then there's strawberry filling between these wafers. It tastes amazing. Recently I just cannot make out like what person exactly I am. I used to be a vanilla, strawberry and fruity over chocolate any day, but God knows why. I know what has changed my mind or liking. Recently I've started to pick so much of chocolate over vanilla that I'm confused if I love chocolate or vanilla more. At this point I love both equally, I feel. And I think previously if I had to choose between these and chocolate wafers, then clearly I would choose this, I feel. 190 calories and 10 gram protein. What is the basis on which you judge? Isn't it subjective? I mean, for me personally, if I am buying a protein bar, whatever protein, I don't care. I really don't care about the amount of protein I'm getting. I just make sure that it's around 200 or less than 200. I don't like to spend a lot of calories beyond 200 on a protein snack or a wafer or a bar for that matter. So I feel that till the time it's around 200 calories and 10 gram protein, I feel it's a win for me. If I have to rate this, then I would rate it 9 on 10. See you all tomorrow with a new flavor of either these wafer or any Super You snack. Ta-da! Hey guys, it's the next day, and please ignore the way my hair looks, but I am here with a new flavor. This is the flavor cookies and cream. We are doing very vanilla-y flavor. Could have just tried one of the chocolate flavors today just because I did a white chocolate kind of wafer yesterday, but anyways, let's try this cookies and cream. I am excited. It's the second week of me continuously having this as my pre-workout. I actually, oh my god, kept it in the refrigerator. So can you just see how this has got formed like thick flakes? I guess the temperature of my fridge was very low. And let's just try. I'm very excited. I'm just too excited to try this because I was just waiting for the entire day for this moment because I'm a sweet tooth, you guys. The outer layer is exactly similar to the wafer I had yesterday. To be very honest, There's no as such cookies and cream flavor to it. I know yesterday when I had the strawberry one and the usual one that I have, which is the peanut chocolate flavor, both of them had like very distinct flavors, but with this you cannot tell that this is cookies and cream. Of course, because of the crunch, it's not something you would hate because of the crunch, and of course it's a wafer, you would love it anyways. How can anything sweet and crunchy and a little bit of salty go wrong? It cannot. So yeah, we'll see you guys tomorrow with a new protein snack by Super You, of course. Hey guys, it's the next day. Please ignore my hair. I did not bother to make my hair. To the point, we have got a Super You snack, new Super You snack. By the way, this one is different from what I've tried for the past 3 days at this point, I guess. 2 days, 3 days, I don't remember. I've lost count. But this one is a mega protein wafer, okay? The ones we were trying were the smaller pack, which had 10 gram protein. This one is 20 gram protein. I thought that I should do something different, so got this one. And this is the flavor nutty chocolate. I absolutely love peanut butter and chocolate together. I don't think it's just me, it's with everyone, but I don't like the chocolate peanut butter. But individually, if I have to put nut butter and chocolate over something, then I absolutely love it. And I love such bars as well, which has peanut chocolate flavor going on. So this is the bar. It might not look appetizing, but actually, you know what? I'll not eat the entire thing because I want my sister to taste it as well. Oh my god, my hair. But that's fine. Let's just. Oh my god. These has like big chunks of peanuts all over the top layer. Can you just see how thick this chocolate layer is? It has like whole peanuts in it. It's making it so crunchy. Best. Found the best one. Amazing. This was how we tried today. Meet y'all tomorrow. I just hope that I don't bring a wafer again tomorrow and we try something else. So yeah, see you guys tomorrow. Also, if I have to rate this, then this is a 10 on 10, you guys. 10 on 10. Just want to give you an update on how much have I kept it from my sister. Yeah, I've licked it 2 and 2. So that's how much I loved this one. Please consider this for taste, but not for the macros. Please, okay? Loved it. Super You. Love you. Hey guys, we are back. Another day, another flavor. And today, guess what we have? A chips. Yes, the chips of the flavor cheese and tomato. And guess what? I've got the tiniest wafer. This is 5 gram protein. I'm so excited to just open this and get how cute it will look. But first things first. First, I'm going to try this cheese and tomato chip. I'm not someone who picks tomato like ever, okay? I just cannot have tomato. But just because I have to try the Super You chips and let you guys know, that's why I've picked this flavor. They also have mint flavor, but that was out of stock. That's why I had to order this. So yeah, the best thing about Super You chips is that I've noticed this with the other two as well, that they have like very intense masala going on. Like they don't just flavor it just for the sake of having. I mean, the seasoning is very strong, which makes the healthy chips, actually you want to have them. It makes you want to have them. This has a very like the cheese part of this flavor is very dominant, so I love that. I honestly don't love tomato flavors. I don't love the sweetness that come along with these tomato flavored chips. So for me, I would still pick the masala one over this and over the cream and onion one. But the crunch, just listen, okay? It's amazing. Super You is they're doing a great job with chips, I must say. The crisp, and you really don't, miss on the normal fried and chips with palm oil and all, and the regular chips, which has no protein and all of that. Now we're trying this wafer as usual, which we have been doing for the last 3 days, and it's in the flavor choco hazelnut. I did not actually refrigerate this today to see what difference does it make if I don't refrigerate. So clearly it has gotten all melty and all. I just love the way it looks. It looks so cute. Can you just see how tiny this is? This has around 100 calories and 5 gram protein, but honestly, I have Super U wafers just for the taste, okay? Just for the taste. I just love it. Protein is just additional that I'm getting. Thankful to Super U. Oh my god. It's amazing. Don't go by the face I made, but it's so similar to the one that I had yesterday, the peanut choco mega wafer. It's so similar, man. And it's also similar to the one that I usually have, which is the chocolate wafer. Like, why does every chocolate one taste the same? Oh my god, my phone's falling. I just cannot hold it. But you can pick any of it. You can either pick this, or you can pick the chocolate one, or you can pick the peanut choco. You will get the same taste. If I have to rate this, then it will be a 8 on 10. I think yesterday's peanut choco one had a dominant peanut flavor. Apart from that, the chocolate flavor was the same. So yeah, I think I'll pick that over this. We'll do one last part tomorrow where I'll try their chips. So see you all tomorrow. Hey guys, it's the next day. It's actually morning right now. I thought that let me just do last two snacks and end this video because there's hardly any snack left for me to do, as I have to also edit this video today. So I thought that let me just end with the last two snacks. We have this pudina flavor, mint flavor, which we are going to try. So this, and I cheated a little because yesterday at night I was craving something sweet after my dinner. So I just opened this cheese one. I had this cheese wafer. I ordered this yesterday and I did not wait for you guys. I'll eat it again so that I get a better understanding again and explain it to you guys like how it actually is. But first we will start with this chips. Oh, the smell. Oh my god. I think I can remember something that's so familiar, but I can't. This is the chip. I expected it to be spicy, but it's not. It is just mint flavor and it's salty. Honestly, this is my least favorite Super U chips. The masala one, and then the cream and onion, and then the tomato and cheese. Yes, tomato and cheese over this. Because the cheese flavor, as I mentioned previously, is so dominant that I loved it. But this one was a disappointing flavor, but let's give this another try. It looks like this. It has that, again, the same white chocolate coating to it. Similar to the strawberry and cookies and cream one. It has this very good cheese flavor and it's mildly sweet, like the entire wafer is mildly sweet, but there is nowhere salty, okay? When there's a cheese flavor in a sweet segment, you expect it to be like sweet and salty, which I expected this to be, but this is not. But I love it. I love the cheese flavor, and the entire wafer is mildly sweet and has some cheese flavor. No saltiness, no proper sweetness. So it's mid-sweet and cheese flavor. I like it. Not bad. I can pick this over the chips that I had right now. But yeah, that's it. If I have to rate this cheese bar, then it's not bad. I'll give it a 7 on 10. And this pudina chips, not a huge fan, honestly. I'll give it a 6 on 10. Yeah. So yeah, we have come to an end to this video. If you guys enjoyed watching this one, then let me know in the comment section if you would love to see me trying or reviewing more of these healthy and high protein snacks, because I love it. I absolutely love doing it. I love snacks. I have thoroughly enjoyed making this video, trying all of these snacks. But yeah, like, share, subscribe to my YouTube channel. If you love watching content related to food and high protein and healthy, then please. And in general food, because I realized that apart from high protein and healthy, I also post about food that is not high protein and healthy. So in general, if you love watching food related content, then
it will be 80%, 70 to 80% it will be high protein and healthy content, and 20% it will be just normal food content. So if you would love watching such videos, then don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. That's it. And follow me on Instagram. I have an account where I post high protein and healthy meals like every day, mostly every day. So yeah, I'll just link my account in the description. You can follow me there. So yeah, that's it. Thank you so much for watching. See you all in the next one.